Hey everybody, quick video. We just did some swatches here on my hand. I'm going to show you, and there's the lip liner right there, the bold colors. I'm going to show you what happens. I figured I was in the bathroom. What happens when I run them underwater? So there's the water hitting it pretty hard. These are the lip liners. And let's see how they held up. I'm going to just rub. Soaking wet hands. Not going anywhere. They're supposed to be budge proof and smudge proof. I dare you to do this with any lip liner that you have from other brands. I rubbed on it just with water. A little fading, but held up, guys, under pretty heavy water.